been working in the shop since 6 a.m. and got a lot of things done and out of the way, so it gave me time to film a video. This will be an overview of that time lapse that we did of the Leatherface sculpture and one piece mold. So check that out. Alright, so here's the finished piece. Has an accurate neck piece. I used high detailed photos from behind the scenes and also some screenshots where you can very visibly see the mask and all of its details. I accurately measured all of the surrounding proportions, made sure all the anatomy and the details were correct, size and dimensions in relation to the photos that I've seen. And I used leather lacing so that way it could be comfortably adjusted to your head. And when I was looking at the photos that I found online from behind the scenes, whether if it was Bob Elmore or Bill Johnson wearing the mask, I couldn't really tell much of the difference. But some of the lacing would go actually through the eye hole and also the ear on this side, and on the other side it would just have these ringlets to protect the leather from being pulled out, and also the mask. There was a story actually that the neck piece during filming was actually ripped off at some point, and I believe Tom Savini had to make one that was completely different. So along the film, in some scenes, you can actually notice where this neck piece looks different in a few different scenes. Since this was various pieces of skin, I gave it various textures, weathering, detail. The glue used on this mask will be changed for something less visible, something more aesthetically pleasing. If you look under the mask, I actually have one more drying over there, but under the mask I even sculpted pores and hair follicles. Try to get some. You can see it really subtly, the pore texture. Try turning this around where the light is so you can see it a little bit better. I have high quality photos on my Facebook page, KBFX, and this will be made available on Etsy and eBay for purchase, and I'm in the developmental stages of my website, trying to come up with a website and an easy way to navigate, stuff like that. When the links are up, they're going to be posted in the description. So if you or a loved one you know who's a huge Texas Chainsaw Massacre fan would love this as a gift, or just to add to the collection, this is what the back looks like. This is the very first pull, so this one is the master that I signed. This one is not for sale. This one is for display purposes only and to have. But that is sculpted on stitching. So that way I don't have to sit there and spend a good few hours stitching all that by hand. Although I was tempted. Alright. Hopefully you guys like it. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys want to see next. If you guys have any tutorials in mind, I'll be doing a prosthetic tutorial soon. Hopefully, keep an eye out for that. Check us out on Facebook.
What?